Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I will be doing a quick walk around of the 2021 Kia Rio. It's a nice little compact vehicle. It's a hatchback. It's very basic, I have to say, but it's pretty fuel efficient just for its size. So this color is a blue. Just doing a walk around here. I'll show you the back, how that looks. Not too sure about the wheel diameters, but it's pretty small, probably 16, if not, probably maybe smaller than that. So I've used it to travel quite a distance. Probably for a full tank of gas at $1.44 Canadian, it costed probably $35–40. Not bad based on that gas price. We're on this side. Okay, I'll take you through the back here, the hatch. So again, it's if you don't have too much to transport, it does the job. It's fabric in there, nice fabric. Take you through the side here. Okay, if you want to put this down, click on, hit that. Show you how much room how much more room it will afford you. So pretty good. I'll take you through the front here. So the 2021 Kia Rio has power mirrors, power windows, power locks. Let's have a look here. This particular one has about 49,000, practically close to 50,000 in kilometers. So here is the temperature controls. Bluetooth works perfectly fine. I connected my Android to it. It was perfectly fine. Here is the steering wheel. So it has cruise control, just the basics of calling, hanging up, volume. So it's pretty good. There's no sunroof on here. There's this for your sunglasses, if you wish. There, and then the mirror. So it's a nice little car. Again, I like it in the sense that it's pretty fuel efficient. If you need to go anywhere far, definitely worthwhile taking this vehicle instead of, say, a truck, if you don't have to take a truck and pay for a lot more in gas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and hit that bell notification icon so that you're always up to date on the newest videos that we have with regards to food, product reviews, unboxing of different products, and travel. Until next time, take care.